What's going on, my YouTube family? It's your boy 6Speed, and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody out there is feeling good and feeling blessed. I feel good right now to be bringing you guys another video, and it's finally here. This is a mod that I've been waiting on for a long time for my car, and I finally got it. This is the new drag setup, boys. I got Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. Just look at these things. These things are nice. So I'm gonna get back to the wheels in 1 second. I just want to talk about these Mickey Thompsons real quick. So these are the ET Street R's. These are the bias ply. And man, I heard so many good reviews on them, so I said, why not just give it a shot. These are 28 1150 by 17s. And if you guys don't know, the car is lowered. I'm on Adbox Sportline. I think that's about a 1.5 inch drop, so these should clear. I shouldn't have no issue scraping or rubbing or anything. So these should clear. So with these ET Street R's, the bias ply, they should be able to absorb any hard launches and any hard hits. So that should be good for the drivetrain, for the axles, for everything. Because the sidewall is soft and it's not really thick, and it's not really like a hard tire. So that's why I went with these. Because I definitely feel like these were more ideal for my setup. So we will be getting everything installed today. I can't wait to get these Mickey Thompsons on, because man, after a few burnouts, these things are gonna hook hard. So I'm definitely excited about that. So for the tires, I decided to go with the D5 4 stars. I just feel like these things are an absolute monster. They look great, and I think it's gonna fit perfectly with the setup that I have on here. Just look at these things. The packaging is so nice. Let me get this stuff out the box. So the packaging is amazing. It comes with this plastic thing so it don't scrape or anything. Man, these look so good. Take this off. Just wait until I pull this off and y'all see how it looks in the sun. But just look at that packaging. That is really nice. I love the way that they packaged it up for you. You guys ready? Damn. Those look killer, man. Look how good those look. So I decided to go with the D5 4 stars because, I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna really look good with this setup that I have on here already with these tires. And the wheels was pretty nice, I must admit. I do like wheels, but I just feel like a lot of people got those. Everybody got wheels. And I don't know, I just wanted to switch it up. I just love how the black look. And don't worry, I'm not scratching it. I got the plastic on the bottom still. But yeah, these are just so mean looking. So my guy just pulled up. So yeah, if you don't know, if anybody out there that has a Mustang, the trunk space is horrible. So I'm gonna put the one wheel and one tire in his car, then I'm gonna put the other wheel and tire in this car.
Oh shit, you want a whole nother level?
Yeah, you like those?
Man.
Say what up to the vlog, bro.
What's up, man? What's up, y'all? Oh yeah, you want a whole nother level. You finna drag race.
Yeah, bro.
I just got the ET Streets.
Oh, you got the ET Streets?
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, you still got the same D5 4 stars. Okay. So you just got the ET Streets. Yeah, these the ET Street R's. These the bias ply. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You about to post them off. You know what that means? Hey, you know what that means.
What?
When you see the dirt on the back, you know what that means.
Oh yeah.
Man, we've been tearing some stuff up.
Man, this look good. What year is this? This is a 2020 or 21?
Bro, 2020.
2020.
10 speed.
10 speed.
Yes, sir. On E85.
E85.
Got the Roush going on.
Roush quad tips?
Yep. And
sweet.
Got some made from D-Mark Performance intake.
Oh, okay. Sweet. Man, if y'all want to see this car on the channel more, please drop y'all comments and let me know. This thing looking good, man. I like the black roof on it. So yeah, guys, so we about to head over. It's about a 45-minute drive to the place I'm going in. I'm going to get these installed there. about to take these off, and we're gonna see what happens. This is my first time on the drag setup, so comment down below if I'm gonna be daily in this thing, how much PSI should I fill the tires up to? And then I know when you race, you're supposed to drop the PSI. So just comment down below how much air should I have in the tires when I'm just daily driving. And when I get ready to race, how much should I drop the air to? So let me know in the comments. Alright guys, so we got everything installed. It's looking good, I love it. Look really good. So now it's only right to do a reaction video with the new setup, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do a few pulls, see how it feels. Yeah, we gotta do a few pulls. So let me get this GoPro hooked up and we're gonna get to it. Alright guys, we in the car. We're gonna do a few pulls, see if they hook. Drop down a second. Alright, look, so y'all seen and y'all read what happened. This is day 2. This is the next day. If y'all pay attention to the first clip while I did the pull, the steering wheel was a little shaky. The car was feeling like wobbly from the front, if that's the word, wobbly. But you get what I'm saying. If you look, it's a little shaky. So me being me, of course, I was so excited about the rear drag setup that I forgot to get the freaking car in line. So with all that being said, I finally got the car in line. All the tires are balanced. Everything is good to go. So like I said, this is the next day. I found a little back road somewhere. I'm gonna do a few pulls for you guys, and we're gonna see how hard these hook. So this is about to be a real first time reaction. So let's get to it. So yeah, I found a decent little back road. No cars around either. So we're gonna do a little pull right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go from a dig. I ain't gonna burn them out yet, cause I want these to last. We got a lot of videos coming up and I need these tires to last. So I ain't gonna burn out, but let's just see how it go from here. Get out of here, bro. No way, bro. No way, bro. No way, bro. Yo, those hooked hard as hell, bro. We're gonna do that again, bro. That is crazy. I can't believe that. Wow. Let's do it again. Wow. sticky, bro. Anybody that's thinking about getting them, hey, I don't got nothing else to say. Just go ahead and get them. That's no burnout, no nothing. It just, man, I wish y'all could feel this, what I'm feeling right now. It just took right off. Like, no spin, no nothing. Just took right off. Wow. Hey, I'm impressed, man. I ain't know it was gonna be like that. Bro, these hooks so hard. Excuse me if I'm a little excited, I'm sorry. But damn, these pull so hard. These sticky Mickeys. These the way to go. Alright, we're gonna do a pull from like, let's do 40. Trying to get over this hill a little bit. Okay, there we go. Man, my damn GoPro falling off my head. That's how hard these things push you in the back of the seat, man. So for anybody that don't know, I have the Mickey Thompson's ET Street R's. Bias ply. You need the bias ply if you have a 6-speed manual transmission. And I have the D5 4-star wheel. So there you go. Man, these things pull so hard, man. That is crazy. So we're gonna end the video right here. A few things before we go. Please hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos first. Also, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. If this is your first time here, please join the family. We got so many things coming for this car. Yeah, guys, so if you stayed around this long for the video, you know I appreciate every last one of you guys, man, for real. So if this is your first time stopping by, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, man. Let me know what y'all think about the new setup. If you like them, let me know. If you don't like them, let me know. Stay tuned for the next video, and just like that, I'll see you guys soon. Stay blessed, stay motivated, and man, whatever y'all dreams are or goals, y'all stay focused and y'all will get there. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the support. It means the world to me. So yeah, see y'all next video, man. Love y'all. Peace.